Hi, Vanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the block stitch. So this stitch is used in my latest scarf pattern. This is a pattern I designed in collaboration with Crochet, which is a sister company of Knit Picks. So this yarn here is Wonder Fluff. It's extremely soft and gorgeous, and it's perfect for this scarf. Okay, so this pattern will be available for free. You can check the link in the description box. Okay, so I have some loops and threads here, Charisma. Okay, so this is bulky weight, so I'm going to use a size K, 6.5 millimeters. This is Boyle's crochet hook. Although the other yarn is extremely beautiful and soft, it's really hard to see the definition. So I'm going to have to use a different yarn for demonstration purposes. Okay, so we're going to start with a slip knot. And you want to chain in multiples of 3 plus 2. So I'm going to chain 9 and then add 2, so 11. Okay, 9 and plus 2, 10 and 11. Okay, so starting with the wrong side of your work, we're going to work one single crochet into the second chain from your hook. So here's the chain on your hook. That's the first and that's the second. So I like to work into the back humps if you turn it slightly. Okay, you see those little bumps on the other side? So again, 1, 2. So second chain from the hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so one single crochet. Now we're going to repeat chain 2, skip 2, one single crochet in the next. Okay, so chain 2, 1, 2. We're skipping 1, 2 here, skipping those 2 into the third, and I'm working in the back again, the humps. Work your one single crochet. Okay, chain 2, skip 2, one single crochet in the next. So you should end with 3 stitches, chain 2, skip 2, and then one single crochet in the last stitch. Okay, there is your row 1. Now we're going to chain 3 and turn. The chain 3 counts as one double crochet stitch. Okay, row 2. So right here in the chain 2 space, right there, we're going to work 2 double crochets into that space. Okay, to work a double crochet stitch, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, one more double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so right here where you have your single crochet stitch, you're going to work a front post double crochet. Okay, so what that means is you're going to work around the single crochet instead of in the stitch. So you want to yarn over and go under and to the other side. Okay, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so now we're repeating into the chain 2 space. You're going to work 2 double crochets, and around the single crochet post you're going to work front post double crochet. And then once you get to the end, you work 1 double crochet into this single crochet here. In this case, this was the turning chain. Okay, 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, 1, and 2. Okay, again, front post double crochet around the single crochet stitch, yarn over, go under and to the other side. Okay, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so if you have a long piece, you'll keep repeating that until you get to your last chain 2 space. Then you're going to work 2 double crochet stitches into that last chain 2 space, and into the turning chain here you'll work one double crochet. Okay, so that matches the chain 3 that counts as a double crochet on this end. Okay, so row 3, we're going to chain 1 and turn. Okay, so now we're working just like the first row, right into the first stitch here. We're working 1 single crochet. So the chain 1 does not count as a stitch. You're going to insert your hook into the very first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, the repeat is chain 2, skip 2 stitches, and 1 single crochet in the next. Repeat again, chain 2, skip these 2 stitches here. Okay, 1, 2, into the third you work 1 single crochet, chain 2, skip 2, and then in the turning chain here you're going to work 1 single crochet. Okay, so the way you count that is, if you look on the other side, you have 1, 2, 3. So that was your chain 3, and you want to work into the third chain. Okay, so count up 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's where you're going to work your single crochet. I have to be honest with you, sometimes it's easier for me to just work right into the space if the pattern works out that way. And I've done that before, and it looked fine to me. So it's really, I think, depends on how picky you are or how you want the stitches to look. Okay, sometimes it works out, just go right into the space. Okay, so now we're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 until we're happy with the size. Okay, so let's repeat. We're going to repeat row 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, counts as your double crochet stitch. Turn your work right into the chain 2 space, 2 double crochet stitches. There's 1 and 2. Okay, single crochet here, you want to work a front post double crochet stitch. Okay, okay, we're at the chain 2 space, 2 double crochet stitches right into the chain 2 space. Okay, 1 front post double crochet right around the single crochet stitch. Okay, your last chain 2 space, you're going to work 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, so the last stitch is a single crochet. You're just going to work 1 double crochet into the last stitch. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and work a few more rows. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It has very pretty texture. Just a little bit lacy, but not too bad. I think it would make a really great blanket. I've made a scarf. Now this yarn is a little stiff, but with this one, it's so squishy and soft that it worked out perfectly. Okay, so here is the right side of the work, and this is the wrong side. So you can definitely see that this is the wrong side on this swatch, but here it's really hard to tell. It looks reversible to me. Okay, so depending on what you're working on, I would end with the single crochets and chain 2, which will match your beginning of the work. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you next time.